So I am back in Dublin for my second year at Trinity College Dublin, and I've been here for a week already. So now it is time to finally show you my new student accommodation. So please follow me. Come on, come on, come on. So we are about to enter the apartment. So let me get the keys. Yes, sir. So this is a very long corridor. It's nice that it's divided into two sections, so it's more silent. So we're gonna go to the kitchen. The first place that we're gonna go is at the far end of the apartment. So let's just go into it. Light turns on automatically. Good point. So here we have the kitchen. As you can see, it is pretty good size, like, yeah, pretty generous. We have two fridges over here and freezers. Then we have over here all the kitchen related stuff for like cooking. Here we have a microwave. We have two of them. There's another one there, as you can see. Basically here we have some sinks. So obviously we have two, which is convenient. Then we have the ovens. They are like divided in four. I've never seen this before in my life, but there they are. And we can cook over here as well. Here is some food that someone made. This is an empanada. Yeah, it's pretty good. I didn't make it, but yeah. Here I have my actual storage of my food and stuff, so you can like see more or less. So yeah, I have my stuff here. It's not much, to be honest. Just enough to survive if there's a global another one. So here I also have more stuff. Here I have all my pans and my boiler and everything. So that's it. And well, this is the living room space. Over here we have three sofas. Well, this is not a sofa, this is two are. But it is quite nice. There are six of us, so we have space for all of us, basically. Very well made. Which doesn't make sense because here we have it, but here we don't. Here we miss one chair. I don't know where that chair went. Yeah, we already asked for one. They haven't brought it yet. Yeah, here we have the TV, which is a really good one. We can even connect HDMI and like put anything we want. We're not paying for the license. No way we're paying that amount of money. Like, we're not doing that. So here we have the views. Well, obviously they could be a bit more pretty. You can see literally like the bins. Yes, but yeah, like last year at least, it was a bit, more pretty. This is done, the kitchen's done. Let's just go to my room. Yeah, Spain, always there, representing. So right now, please follow me to my room. So we enter here the room. Here's my new room for this year. As you can see, it's not pretty bright. It is kind of a cave, but let's start by the bathroom. So here is my new bathroom, very white, as you can see. Can get stressful at times. It is a bit small. If you were claustrophobic, don't come here because it's not that big. Here is the shower. It's not bad. It's easier to get than the last one. When I try to get in, it's a bit like... And you can close it over here. Hey, cameraman trying to... No. Here we have a small sink with everything more or less, shaving. Here I have my skincare routine, my perfume. There I have like my toothbrush and alignments for like the teeth. What the hell? This sus cameraman. So that's the bathroom. That's closed. So this is my actual room over here. Here I have a nice mirror. Over here I have my desk and I have my chair, which in this case you can like rotate it and stuff. Way better than my last one. Here I have, as always, my coffee machine. It's still alive. Yes, it's so good. Here I have my Mac, obviously, if I want to make coffee. Here I have it. And I here have my T card for Trinity, my Leap card for, catching the Lewis or the bus or whatever. And here I have my allergy pills. I'm having a really rough time. Yeah. So here I have a lamp, as you can see, which is quite good. If you want to ask me where I bought it, I don't remember where. So yes, I'm sorry. Here I have a thing that my girlfriend gifted me, which you can basically like charge both the watch and like the phone, literally like just putting it on top. So it's quite a nice thing to have because if not, I will have lots of cables and stuff all over the place. And over here, I have some books. I have some physics books with my girlfriend. I have a calendar that she gave to me. Over here I have my audio and video stuff. I have my new mic, which you will see in future videos, so stay tuned. The next one is an interview video, so check it out. Well, it hasn't still gone out, but if you are watching this later and it's gone out, go check it out. So yeah, basically here I have all my tea and my coffee. I have the same one as before. It's my go-to. Here I also have like some snacks, some pistachios, and some like jellies or whatever. I didn't really like these ones. I bought them, but they're not pretty good. Here I have some stuff like cables, lots of them, calculator, like wallets and other stuff. You don't even care about this, but yes. Here I have some miscellaneous items. If I want to clean my glasses, skincare, always have some. Here I have my actual like really big thing for like, if I get ill, I have everything here. I don't even have to leave for the pharmacy because last year was really bad. I vomited. Yeah, I almost died. Yeah, my cameraman knows. Yeah. So here is the actual bed. It is a small double bed. Here there's a place to put some pins and like some photos and stuff. So it's gonna be like that. And it's minimal. It's not bad. But I don't understand because there's one here and another here. I don't understand why you need two of them. Like, you don't even have that many memories. Like, come on. Now, here I have a vacuum cleaner. Always comes handy when doing quick cleaning. If you want to get it done in a few minutes, you don't have to go down and ask for a big one or whatever. I can just do it. And here I have my chemistry lab stuff. I have my glasses. I have my lab coat. Here I have everything for my laundry. I just put it there. It looks like a basketball hoop, and I like basketballs. I can just throw it, so that's good. Yeah. Here is the view. You can see the bins right there. Yes. This is what we have. We had to make the best of it. Look to the, to the sky. Yes. So yeah. Now here I have big storage for all the rest of stuff that I have. Here is all my clothes, everything over there. Here I have like some pillow cases and everything for like the bed. I have some towels and stuff. Here I have my suit that I used for Trinity College. Here it is. There's like cleaning products over there. And basically, well, I didn't show you one thing. So final things before leaving, I have a clothes rack in case things don't get sufficiently dry after the dryer. It happens sometimes, I don't know how. And here I have my coats and any umbrellas. I have two because it's Dublin, so you can never get confident. So let's just go and leave for the communal spaces. So this is the G floor. So it is the common room, the communal space floor. So let's go to the common room right now. Thank you for opening, thank you. So we have here the common room. There's people here, so I don't want to disturb anyone. But as you can see, it is pretty huge. And we have like TVs, we have all that kind of stuff, which is quite nice. We can hang out here. We can play some futbolín, as we say in Spain. So literally like, well, yeah, I can't play right now. I don't have anyone to play with. So over here, we have the cinema room. Let's check it out. So, luckily no one's here. We have this space, which, look at the screen. Oh my gosh, it is huge. And I don't think we can actually like book the space or something. It is weird because in the last one, they only had the keys and we couldn't access this, and now we can access it whenever we want. But yeah, still really cool. We can come here, put some football or whatever, play PS4, whatever. So it's a really nice space. And I would say it's better than the last residence. Pretty much better. So let's just go to the gym. Should we go to the gym? Yeah. So, as you can see, let's go to the gym. Well, there's other stuff there, but first gym. So, go. So here, oh my gosh, there's no one in the gym. Okay, so basically, that's the gym, as you can see. There's no one. This is the gym that we have here at our new student residence. It is pretty big. There's windows this time, which I didn't have in my last one, so that's quite a good thing. But Although they have lots of like cardio machines, they have like treadmill, they have like, you know, a static bike. They have this also as well, which is quite a nice thing. But apart from that, they don't have much. Like they don't have any cable machines or anything. They have a TV, which can come really handy, but you know, still, when you're at the gym, you're not watching TV. Some may do. And here we have some free weights, as you can see. You can like get a nice workout in, and it's, you know, really convenient if you want to be fast and you don't have that much time. So that's really good. The gym is really cool. All the windows that are, the light feels really, you know, natural light. So yeah, I really like it. Although there should be some cable machines. So if someone from the residence watches this, please add some cable machines and actual like more machines, because it's nice, but it would be even better. So this is the laundry room. I'm not gonna enter right now because there's actually people doing laundry. So, you know, I don't want to intimidate anyone. But yeah, that's it. Okay. So this is the outer part of the residence at the common floor. So here we have some space to just chill and just enjoy some time if it's good weather. Not today anyways, but yeah, basically this is just a place to sit down at the bench and chill and maybe read, grab a book and read or something. And yeah, this is what it is basically. You can see all the buildings over there, and one of those is ours. Yeah, right now let's just go to the rooftop, which is the final place that we have to visit. So follow me. So right now we're here at the terrace. This is the 8th floor, and let's just go and check it out. So here right now we have the outer space. We have the terrace, like the actual terrace, because there's all the stuff there. So this is the terrace, and there's lots of space to just hang out and to sit down, to just, you know, have a drink with friends. You know, in Spain, this will be used every single day of the year, but here, most days it rains. So as you can see, it has rained today. Yeah, so that's why no one is here right now. It is way bigger than my last residence terrace, so it is quite an upgrade. And it is such a nice place. There's lots of plants, there's just nice vibe. Chill, think about your stuff, visualize your future, visualize how we may not pass the year, but we are gonna try. So you can see right now, the views are crazy. We can see Croke Park. It is the largest stadium in Ireland with 80,000 people capacity. Like, it is huge. So we have the whole Dublin in a way. We can see it all from here. So this right here is the spire. It is not the smallest it seems right now. It is 120 meters high. But yeah, let's just go and check out the inner part of the terrace. So right here is the study rooms. Right now, I'm not gonna enter because there's people there and I don't want to disturb, but you can see the images right now. Yeah, it is really nice. You can see everything from there, and you can have a really nice study sesh. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you want to check any of my other videos, you can check them out over here. They will appear on the screen. And that's everything from me for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye. No, fragancia, fragrance, parfum. Okay, this is my parfum. So
This is my parfum. In the kitchen, I have my croissant.
but still, So, yeah, so that's the gym. Pretty fun, yeah, I know.